ready to ditch that boring YouTube banner and create something that screams you. Today, we're diving into Leonardo AI to craft an eye-catching banner that will grab viewers' attention first. Head over to Leonardo AI and sign up for a free account if you haven't already. Now that you're in, navigate to the Image Generation tab. This is where the magic happens. In the prompt box, type a description of the banner you envision. Be specific. Include details like the theme, colors, and overall style. For example, a futuristic cityscape, vibrant colors, YouTube banner. Choose a model that fits your desired aesthetic. Leonardo Diffusion is a good starting point, but feel free to experiment. Crucially, adjust the image dimensions to 2560 pixels by 1440 pixels. This is the recommended size for YouTube banners to ensure it looks great on all devices. Hit that Generate button and let Leonardo AI do its thing. Browse through the generated options if you're not happy with the first batch. Tweak your prompt and try again. Refine, refine, refine. Once you find a banner you love, download it to your computer. Finally, upload your new banner to your YouTube channel. Remember to adjust the crop as needed within YouTube to ensure your banner looks perfect on all screen sizes. And there you have it. A unique, eye-poured YouTube banner that will elevate your channel's branding. Get creative and let Leonardo AI help you design the perfect visual representation of your content.